I don't need a light to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You all see I'm the lowest of the lowest. Really, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way.
Hey guys, it's me Dre and I'm back again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPad Pro. Hi! So the iPad Pro that I have is the iPad Pro 11-inch M5 Wi-Fi plus cellular, the 256 gig model. Now the thing is, my phone has 1 terabyte of storage, but I decided to get the base model iPad only because, one, that shit expensive as fuck. Apple done upped the prices because of the RAM. I guess like they were undercharging for RAM, and now they have to sell it at full price or overcharge, whatever the case may be. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. I just paid the tab. Hi, I didn't complain.
Money make a broke bitch mad. I don't complain. I just pay the tab.
I got the, the base iPad or whatever. No, not the base iPad. The base iPad Pro. That's the difference. I got the base iPad Pro because I have the iCloud Plus subscription, which is where I pay $10 a month for 2 terabytes of storage. So I don't really need a iPad that has a lot of storage on it because everything goes straight to the iCloud anyway. So that's how that goes. But I had to refilm this intro because the first one, no shade, I don't know what the fuck happened, but some shit was not looking right, so I had to redo it. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next. As you can see, my channel is back up and running. I had to take a little bit of a mental break. I had a long ass motherfucking 5 months off of the internet. I wasn't really like off of the internet, but I was off of YouTube, so so yeah, I took a little 5-month break. Still a lot of shit going on, but I'm gonna give you guys story times on that. I don't want to promise you guys a date or anything, or days or anything like that, because last time I did that I didn't fulfill on my promise. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, y'all, but shit been hitting the fan, life been lifing, shit been hitting me, but it's cool though. I got God on my side. Yeah, I'm just starting to go to church more, starting to learn how to give things to God, Jesus Christ specifically. I'm just trying to get better. But before we get started, don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see next from me. The type of story times, anything like that, any suggestions, go ahead and hit that up. My social medias will be in the description box down below, and it will be in the LinkTree link that's on my channel. So if you guys didn't come across the description, if you go to my main page on my channel, the home page, you're going to see the LinkTree link under my name. So you can go ahead and click that and find me on all my social medias. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the iPad. I'm going to start off by pulling the first tab. Oh, shit. Damn. This shit don't want to come out. Oh shit. There it goes. Gonna lift this out. This is the iPad. Ooh, this shit thin as a motherfucker. This shit thin. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit is real thin. Like, look how thin. I don't know if y'all can realize how thin that is. And we got the camera, the LiDAR sensor, the flashlight. But we're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna place this in here. We're gonna go ahead and open up this. Oh, wait, I didn't know it came with a charging brick, because they normally don't no more. I'm kind of gagging. Hold on. I did not know that. Okay, you got a charging brick, 20 watt of course, and then we have a, I want to say, I don't know if this is just a regular charger or a fast charger, because it is an iPad Pro, so I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. But designed by Apple in California. Oh, It's only one thing. I'm thinking it's more than one thing. So I don't have an Apple Pencil yet, but I will be ordering an Apple Pencil. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get into opening this iPad. Hi. Miss iPad Pro, hi. With Face ID. Super T. Super T. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn her on. Hi. Yeah, I can see the ring light in the iPad reflection, but yeah. Boom. So we're gonna start the setup process, but I'm gonna cut the camera when it's time for me to use my phone. Oh, and it came at 90%. Hi. Swipe up. English. United States. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and hit with medium. I could probably just do setup without another device. I'm gonna type in the Wi-Fi. Okay. Go to join. Hi, Hendrix. Cellular setup complete. Let's continue. I'm gonna press 18 and older. Gonna continue with Face ID. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and create a passcode. I like to have my own digit password, so I'm gonna go ahead and type that in. Hi, nice long iPad password. Nobody's stealing my shit. We're gonna do from backup. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with iCloud. Gonna go ahead and type in my iCloud now. Okay, now it says agree to terms and conditions. I'm gonna agree. Hi, that's me. My iPad, hi. Period. Okay, now it's asking about Apple Intelligence. Gonna press continue. Not now. I'm gonna turn on priority. Okay, continue. Continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Yes, continue the beta software program. Okay, now it's asking about multitasking and windowing. It says always use apps full screen and swipe from home to switch between them. Launch apps full screen, resize, arrange. Yes, I want this. Continue. Yes, iPadOS 27. Go ahead and continue. Hi. Agree. Okay, so it's saying 2 minutes already. So let's see how fast that updates. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys the case I got for my iPad. It's pink. It may not look too pink, but it's very pink in person. This is the case. It's a folio case, and it also folds this way, folds this way, you know, folds like a normal folio too. I'm gonna order some privacy screen protectors, but right now I just got regular screen protectors. So iPad is fully set up. Hi, you see right here, King Jesus. Yes, exactly. But yeah. Okay guys, so that will conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next from me on my channel. Yeah, so I'm back. I have the proper equipment now. I feel like the break was long overdue, but it was also long extended. It's been so much shit that happened, so expect story time soon. Trust, it's a lot of shit that went down. It's cool though. What Cold Killer say? I'm sick. I'm sorry, I'm sick. but it's cute.
Breeze. Bitch. Nah. Yo. And it's long, y'all. I'm sick. I'm sorry. I'm sick. But it's cool.
Yeah, but without further ado, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, hope you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to drink your water, stay prayed up, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.
I want to so bad that I feel it in my chest at night. I want it. I want it. But I'll never fall out of love with you. Get you.